All right, let's first start our workflow with a Gmail trigger. Click on Gmail, on message receipt, go to the credential section, click on create new credential. Here we go to our Google console, type in console.cloud.google.com and configure your Gmail if it's your first time. And then we'll have to create a new project or our first project. Click on select a project, then click on new project. All right, let's name our project. I'll name it my project one. You could choose whatever name you want and then click on create. All right, let's give it a second. All right, here's our projects created. Right now, we should enable our Gmail API. Go to the search section and type in Gmail API. Click. So once we enable our Gmail API, we'll have our Gmail account connected to the Gmail node. All right, let's go back to our N8N. Click on sign in with Google. Choose your Gmail. Scroll down, click on continue. All right, our Gmail is connected. You see, it's easy steps and congratulations. See you next time.